Hey y'all, my name is Degenerate. I am going to assume that you're watching this video because you would like to trade into a profit. Real base assumption. I'm gonna assume you're not trying to trade into a loss, because you could just go waste your money anywhere else. But I want y'all to take in the next couple minutes with an open mind and hopefully you learn this without as much pain as most traders. There is a statistic out there that you'll see floating around with a little bit of exposure to the space that 90% of traders lose money. That's true. And it's true because of propaganda. So, propaganda, how can we define this? Propaganda are any influences that tell you to buy something. A TradingView account with a really confusing chart that you don't fully understand that predicts an asset to go 10x, or an anonymous Twitter account, Crypto Cobain, Orca, any Twitter account that influences you to buy or sell. Paid group leaders, albeit less so because you've given them money, but a lot of them don't know what they're doing. Let's go back to the statistic that 90% of traders lose money. This game that you're playing, this is a zero-sum game. By that, I mean, if you are buying an asset on a market, this channel is geared primarily towards Bitcoin. So I'm going to say Bitcoin. If you're buying Bitcoin, someone has to be selling it to you. And if we go back to the opening, that if you're here to trade into a profit, and you're smart, then someone else who is selling you Bitcoin is also in this space because they are smart. And they decide it is worth it for them to sell the Bitcoin rather than hold on to it. So, the idea that it's a zero-sum game, you are now the bag holder, and they are off the hook. They're here to trade into a profit. You're here to trade into a profit. I'm here to trade into a profit. For me to make money, you have to buy my bags. Or your friend has to buy my bags. Or your dad has to buy my bags. It's a game of hot potato. So if you're the last buyer and you don't have a risk tolerance previously set, say, I'm gonna cut the trade at X price, emotionally, you're gonna hold on to that trade and you're gonna lose more money and more money. A lot of people do this. Don't become one of those people. Cut your losses nearly immediately. Even more immediately would do you better. But with that said, everybody has their own game. My game, where I profit, doesn't have to be your game. You may make money in a different space. You may have different goals. You may have different time frames. Your game is unique to you, to your life and your circumstances, and that's okay. That is what allows a beautiful market. So some ending points. Y'all should learn risk management. It is going to save you the most money in your life. And it's going to allow you to take advantage of the best deals when they become available. You'll have the most amount of capital when you see those deals. If you didn't devote that capital earlier because of fear or greed to a higher price. Y'all should learn trading. If you're in this space and you're looking to invest passively or you're looking to trade actively, learning the fundamentals of trading are going to allow you to know if someone is pitching you as a bad actor, telling you to buy some bad asset. How else would you know if they're telling the truth? Unless you had the experience and knowledge of other examples in your life that you've come across to know that they're truthful. I don't know. But this is just an intro, and I hope that it encourages you to go further. Because I fucking love this. I think it's great. I love trading. And I love taking your money. And I hope you stay in the space so that not only I, but everyone else can take it from you. And eventually, I hope you take other people's money. I hope y'all have a great day.